are here at Winning Government Contracts Live 2025 in Dallas, Texas. I am Dr. Karwanna D. and I help small business entrepreneurs actually leverage government contracts to create generational wealth.
From this weekend, I wanted to get the motivation and the courage to jump in, start bidding, and start winning.
I'm feeling really great about today's experience. I do follow Dr. Karwanna online, and I learned a whole lot from online and here. But here is a lot of energy. You're able to ask questions, and she's answering them right on the spot. You're leaving the place already a certified government contractor.
It's been a wonderful eye-opener in terms of all of the opportunities that there are out there for my field, as well as fields that are on the outside. I recommend it to anyone.
It's a lot I never knew. This is reality. Believe me, you have to come to see.
I want to make sure that people understand the process of not only who they need to become in the process, but what they need to do to actually win contracts.
She actually had testimony from people that have actually done this, and that people that she's mentored, and it tells me and shows me that it can be done and that I can do it too.
So I just want to tell you guys that don't sit on this, don't sleep on this. This is a wonderful opportunity to connect with people that look like you, that's trying to do what you do, not living for your first name, but you're living for your last name. And I want to tell you, this is the way you're going to do it with government contracting.
The world is mine.
The workshop information, the core key actionable steps is invaluable. This trip has more than paid for itself 3 times over just with the connections alone.